He's second now.
Yep, there we go.
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Monroe County, Morgan County, eastern Owen County until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Spencer, or 16 miles northwest of Bloomington, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Steinsville around 3:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Gosport and Quincy around 3:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Paragon around 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Martinsville, Centerton, Mahalatesville, and Lake Hart. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Monroe, Morgan, and Owen.